In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Monday.com board to Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to get a clean spreadsheet you can share or analyze. Start by signing into your Monday.com account and landing on the home area. From here, look to the left sidebar and open Workspaces. This is where your boards live, organized by teams or projects. Select the workspace that contains the board you want to export. If you're not seeing it right away, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the right board name. Open the board. In the top right corner of the board, click the three-dot menu to reveal more options. Hover over More Actions to expand the list, then choose Export Board to Excel. This opens a small window that asks what you want to include in the export. You'll see options for updates and sub-items. Turning on updates includes the conversations, status changes, and notes tied to each item. This is helpful if stakeholders need the story behind the data, but keep in mind it can make the file larger and longer to read. Turning on sub-items includes nested tasks in the export, which is useful if you manage detailed checklists or dependencies at the item level. If you rely on sub-items for timelines or assignments, make sure this is enabled so nothing important is left out. There's also an option to email yourself a copy. If your board is large or you're on a slower connection, choosing to receive the file by email can be more reliable. If you prefer an immediate download to your computer, leave this off and your browser will save the file as soon as it's ready. Before you click Export, a quick tip: Monday.com typically exports what's in your board view. If you want the spreadsheet to mirror a specific filter or column arrangement, apply that view first so your Excel file reflects exactly what you need. Now, click Export. Depending on the size of your board and your selections, this may take a few moments. When it's done, open the Excel file to confirm your columns, groups, and items look correct. You should see your board data laid out clearly, with any updates or sub-items included based on the choices you made. That's all there is to it. Go to your workspace, open the board, use the three-dot menu, choose Export Board to Excel, pick your include options, decide whether to email a copy, and export. You now have a clean Excel file ready for reporting, sharing, or deeper analysis.